7:20 a.m. in the morning. Just woke up, going with Jubie to the Namsayin cruise. I'm at a Shell right now, about to get fuel. And there he is, R34. You can hear that secondary intake valve open up at 3,600 RPM. It sounds happy. Vehicles. Where are we getting, Jubie? 92? Nice. Alright, we just got to the meet right now here with Thais, Alex. Oh dang. Got a bunch of cool cars over here. Got that EF. Got a G37. Got a pretty sick Cressida over here. What are these? Some SSRs? SSR mesh wheels? Yeah, those are nice. Polished lips and everything. Got a GS over there. EKs, some EKs.
Yo, Alan needs to.
No, he needs to pop up here.
Have you looked at
his I haven't seen him. He lives up in Arlington. I thought he was gonna come to your house.
Race for it. Bang!
The 3IS. Got the RCF here. It's good. Nice. Got the Toyota BZ4X over here. Full EV. The RCF is sick.
It's a day and
so
night.
Let me ask you something. The V10.
This NSX is sick. Got some Volt wheels on it. Peter, you're correct.
This makes me happy. I love this.
Oh yeah, that thing is sick.
So beautiful.
Yeah, I know, right?